I have filmed this video once before, and I decided to refilm it and pre-package everything how it came because I was unhappy with the images that came with this. So to begin this video, let's talk about what black magic means according to Google. So, black magic has traditionally referred to the use of supernatural powers or magic for evil and selfish purposes. So we're opening up a box that should contain images that relate to evil, force, or they should relate to magic for evil and selfish purposes. So while we're going through these images, you guys tell me in the comments below if this is actually reflected in the actual contents or if they should have just called it a magic edition kit. Okay. So first off, we come to our box and it has on the back all of the designs that are included inside of this kit. You can see them numbered. On this band, it doesn't have anything that says paint gem, which is kind of like a missed opportunity, but I digress, as people like to say. I digress. I've always wanted to say, but I digress. But yeah, so if you can get this band off, you can get inside of the box. I don't know why this is so difficult. This was difficult before. I'm dying, guys. I have a cold, so maybe that's why I'm also miserable today. But as you can see, it has paint gem on the box. On the back, there's a QR code if you need instructions. Really nicely, relax through creativity. I really like how this box, this is how it looks when you open it up. And then we have our toolkit, plastic tweezers. This is the first time I've seen plastic tweezers with a diamond painting kit. These will most likely go in the garbage. They are pretty pointy though, so don't stab yourself. And then there's a diamond painting tray. Here's heart wax, reminiscent of another company that also does heart wax. And then there's whatever, multi-placer. I was like, what is this called? And they're the clear ones, so they're not the good skinny ones. They're like the fat clear ones, which I don't really like. And then you got a squishy, and then there's a diamond painting pen I forgot to put back in. The pen is the only thing that I'm going to keep from this kit, and the rest will probably just go in the garbage unless you can recycle this, but I doubt it because it's plastic. So yeah, this stuff is like cool if you're new to diamond painting, but if you're new, you should already have your own set of tools. Or if you're not new, I mean, this is a square diamond painting kit. I don't know if the others are square that they have or if they're round or if they're all square, but they do come pre-baggied, which is really nice. It looks like there are about 30 colors. And then I like that the drill bag is labeled Black Magic Edition. And then when you take out your diamond paintings, they come in like another box like this. And then we have, you open it up, and it has tips and tricks on how to diamond paint. And then you open it up even more, and there's instructions on how to diamond paint. And then if you do need some help, there's a QR code. Oh, and then there's also like, hey, this is what's included in our diamond painting box or in our kit. You also get this label sheet, which is really nice. You can peel off the labels, label the bags, or if you kit up in containers, you can peel them off and label your containers with these labels as well. I think this is a nice addition. So let's get into the images. And again, black magic is supposed to refer to evil things done selfishly. So let me know if you think that this matches the actual title of the box. So you have an hourglass, like sands through the hourglass, so are the days of our lives. It has a moon and a sun. It's kind of evil, yep. And a black cat, stereotypically evil, I guess, but I love my black cat. So I don't know. And the moon, like, is the moon evil? I have no idea. This, I don't know how this is magic. It's a fucking owl with a fucking envelope. So sure. A crystal ball. There's my miserable sickness coming out, guys. I have like a cold or whatever. Ouija, planchette, yes, no, spirit, cool. Tarot cards, a poison bottle with mushrooms because it's moldy apparently. Then we have crystals with roses, a cauldron with like tentacles, so if you're into like hentai, or if you're into eating like octopus or something, this is how you can cook it. This one is like, okay, it says book spells on it. Shouldn't it say book of spells or spell book instead? I don't know. And then there's a witch, like, happy Halloween, such black magic. And then this I thought was hilarious because it's like, okay, it's a church. What are you saying? Like, of course, they found thousands and thousands of dead Indigenous children at Catholic churches across Canada. So yes, I can definitely see how there's black magic in this image. But it's kind of just hilarious that it's like black magic and then there's a freaking church. Okay, I don't understand. Yeah, so let me know if you guys think if these are evil. Like overall though, like if you look at the canvas itself, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's like pretty glittery. Like there's glitter in the canvas itself, which is nice. And the details on the drill field are very clear. Like you're not going to have any issues with the symbols in these. Like look how clear that is, which is really cool. And it looks like the glue is solely where the image is, so you're not going to have a lot of like extra glue hanging out. I like the idea of small diamond paintings because it's like, oh cool, like if I travel or something, this is a handy kit that I can bring. If you don't plan on kitting up and just working out of baggies like this is actually like a legit cool kit. Some ideas would be like finish all of these, frame them, and then have like a little wall of or gallery on your wall of the little finishes, or finish them and mail them to your friends or something, or give them to friends, frame them and give them to friends. You don't necessarily have to mail them. I do like some of the images, but I just, like, my issue is, it's like, okay, how is this evil and, like, magic done for selfish reasons? Like, okay, yeah, a witch is, like, magical. But, like, and then it's just, like, little things, like, book spells. Like, it should be spell book instead. And, like, how are crystals and roses evil? Poison, sure. Evil, sure. How is this? I don't understand. Black cat, okay, stereotype. This, of course, it's evil, because it's like, if you think of owls with letters and you reference Harry Potter, yeah, you think it's evil, because J.K. Rowling is an evil biatch. Ouija, depends how you use it. Depends how you use it. So, I mean, I don't know. Like, I think, like, I got this because I thought the images were cute, but then when I was opening it in my earlier video that I was too miserable in, that I didn't want to post, this is a more lighthearted video, guys. Lighthearted. It's just like, just call it the Magic Edition. Don't call it the Black Magic Edition. Like, I feel like for branding, like, cool. Ooh, it's like supposed to be like scary and like evil, but like none of these are necessarily evil. Like, I don't know. It's just like, okay, who knows? But I like the images, most of the images, I should say. I like the way that it's packaged. Like, it's packaged really nicely. The toolkit is decent. I wouldn't say it's great. I hate those wide see-through multi-placers. And the tweezers are plastic, which is kind of like, okay, like, why are they plastic? Yeah, so let me know what you guys think of this kit down below. Do the images live up to the hype of black magic, in your opinion? I don't know. If you don't really, like, I don't know. Whatever. Anyways, guys, if you like diamond painting and you like my honest opinion, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it. And in all of them, I'm not this miserable. I think I'm just miserable because literally I have a cold and I was like, I need to put up a video today. So here's my video. So go subscribe though. Let me know down below what your thoughts are on this black magic kit. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later in my next video. Okay, bye. I'm dying.